Good morning. It's Vijay here. Welcome to yet another episode of pre-market commentary for this week, Monday, 24th June. I am not a SEBI registered advisor, and I'm just another person who's been in the market for about 30 years. And here are my thoughts based on what I've seen and what can be expected. So please consult your financial advisor before taking any financial or investment related decisions. Yesterday, I did uh, opinion piece on the quant issue, the quant mutual fund. I will be doing a larger, uh, either a podcast or an article on this in the next couple of days. And kindly go through it, read it, and to get a better idea of what exactly is happening. So this insider trading or front running is not new, as I mentioned. It has been going on. Only when you get caught, you become a thief. Otherwise, everybody is very happy with the way things are going on. Whether it's a regulator, whether it's a mutual fund, whether it is the AMFI, everybody enjoys because the assets under management goes up. Finally, the retail investor suffers. But then who cares for the retail investor? Nobody cares. You'll have to accept that fact. Today is also the beginning of the parliament session, so you can expect fireworks. It will probably include fireworks on the kind of movement which we saw on 3rd and 4th of June. I'm sure the opposition will put the government on the mat on this. What comes of it, we really don't know. But it may not happen immediately today, but it will probably happen during the week because after the speaker is elected, I think today probably is only the oath taking ceremony. After the speaker is elected, probably when the fireworks will start. So this morning, Asia is mixed. We had the Nikkei up by 100 points and Hang Seng down by about 250 points. Dollar is also a little weak. The dollar index I'm talking of. Gold and silver are steady. Bitcoin is weakening. People who trade in Bitcoin may have seen that that's gone to about $74,000 to now about $63,000. There is some cause for concern. Geopolitics is boiling. Anytime there could be a war between Israel and Lebanon, is what the positioning is as of today. So that is something to be taken care of. Locally, markets may get affected by the quant mutual fund imbroglio. The reason because quant has grown from say 100 crores about 4 or 5 years ago to about 80,000 crores, and they are big churners of stocks, so they won't hesitate to buy or sell based on the opportunities. Now, we also don't know how much SEBI will probe into it, what are the contours of the probe. So that will happen over a period of time. But because of that, volatility will increase because once a large fund has their doings or misdoings have been opened up by SEBI, then as they say, there is no smoke without fire, or sorry, there's no fire without smoke, whatever maybe. So one has to look at what quant MF's portfolio is. Mostly 20% is invested in the three top stocks, which is Reliance, HDFC, and Geo. And then they have Reliance, HDFC, Geo, and Adani Power. So more than 20% goes into these four stocks. Now they also have a small cap fund which is about 23,000 crores. That is where the problem will be because those small caps are very illiquid. And I think if you look at it, old timers will know that this has been a pump and dump scheme going on between the all the small cap funds. I'm not just telling you about quant, but this is what they're doing. Absolutely illiquid. Most of them have P's of more than 100, and most of them don't have a good balance sheet. But yet they are profitable because you see on a day-to-day basis they go up 20%. So people who are trading in that will have to be very, very careful because for it going up 20 to 40% in a week, it can also do the reverse, which most people do not think when they're investing in these companies. So I think the hole has been shown by SEBI, and whether they will probe into the hole or just paper it and let it be, only time will tell. But knowing SEBI and AMFI's track record, I think nothing much may come of it. But then you never know. Sometimes miracles do happen. So what would I do? I will look for selling on rise. I will look at selling on rise across the board. I do not want to get into buying today at least. Okay, even if it goes up, but the last 8 days or 9 trading days has shown that the market opens with a gap up and then it gets sold into. Today, the Gift Nifty talks of a gap down about 80 points. We don't know whether it'll open there, but there could be a rally in between. And I think I will use it to lighten my positions. So, whatever you do today, hope it is successful and I hope you make money. It's Vijay here signing off. Thank you for joining.